Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Microsoft Teams password in just a few simple steps. Click the three-dot Settings and More button at the top right of Teams, then from the Personal menu that appears, click View Your Profile to open your account settings. Your Microsoft account page loads in a new browser tab. Scroll down past your profile information and click the Change Password button under the Security section. You'll be taken to a sign-in verification screen to confirm your identity. Click the Send Notification button to send a verification request to your Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. After you approve the notification on your phone, the Change Your Password screen loads with two fields, New Password and Re-enter Password. Make sure your new password is different from previous passwords you've used. Click into the New Password field and type your new password. It needs to meet the requirements shown below the field, including minimum length and character variety. Click into the Re-enter Password field and type the same password again to confirm it matches exactly. Once both fields match and the requirements are met, click the Save button at the bottom to complete the reset. Your new password takes effect immediately. If you don't have the Microsoft Authenticator app set up, you'll see alternative verification options, like receiving a code by email or text message instead. Your new password must be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've saved your new password, you'll be automatically signed back into Teams with the new credentials. You won't need to sign in again manually. And that's how to reset your Microsoft Teams password. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.